who has opted for communication through email, SMS, or push notification. And these all subscribers having a unique key of subscriber key. Through that, we can individually identify each of the subscriber.
Correct. So a subscriber, Tamajit, are the people who are subscribing and they are giving consent that they are ready to receive email, SMS, push notification, okay, any kind of information from us, okay, that are subscriber. Subscribers can be stored in, where can they be stored, Raju and Tamajit?
List.
Okay, and
External shared list. Uh,
mhm,
mm, okay,
Subscriber can
data
be basically
extension.
data extension. Correct. So subscribers can be inserted, added, imported, okay, into list as well as data extension. Okay. Now, if we talk about data extension, how many types of data extensions are there?
One is a shared data extension.
No, shared data extension comes under the standard one. Okay, and there are three types of data extension. One is standard data extension, one is filtered data extension, and one is random data extension. If we go
right.
to standard data extension, okay, these are the
But
data.
anyway, if you are trying to create the filter data extension, even you have to create the standard one, and then only you can go for this filtered one. Na?
That's correct. That's correct. But that comes under the type. So that
Right.
in question might come, how many types of data extensions are there and what are they? So
Three
we,
types. Right.
yes, we have to say three type, correct? So that is how data extensions are been categorized. So in data extension, if we try to create one, a standard data extension is testable, is sendable, okay, all these are necessary part. One thing, where is that? Just, we can access data extension through email studio as well, and one is through audience builder,
Audience builder. Right.
correct?
But in audience builder, you will not find some of the option there.
So it's vice versa.
Right.
Here some options might not be available and there some options might not be available
If you want to delete something, if you want to add something, some of the option will not be available in.
in contact builder.
Right.
Correct, that's correct. But from here, okay, the main part comes is if you are trying, okay, you have created so many data
Yeah,
extensions.
right. Right.
Okay.
No, I was trying to access, from different points. Like, I was trying to do through uh, email template, or like, for automation. So many things I have tested. So that's why, many of them are
That's
created.
good. That seems that yes, we are trying to get into it. But yes, see here the thing is, if we are trying to add a record,
Right.
we can directly add. That is from the contact builder. But
Hmm.
from this email or data extension, if we go to the data extension, like uh, this one,
Hmm.
this data extension, so
Uh,
we can only filter it, split it, and copy it.
hmm.
If we go to records, we can have the import and export option.
Right.
We don't have add option here.
Right. Add or delete option is not here. Yeah. Right.
That's correct. That's correct. So vice versa. Some options are available here, some options are available here. Okay. And also one good to know information. Good to know information is, as you know, the data extension which we will create for synchronized data extension. Okay. So first, synchronized data extension. Pay attention here, guys.
Mm.
Here, synchronized data extension may, if you go to contacts underscore Salesforce, here we have few details,
Mm.
but here we have data type as well. You can see here data type.
Mm.
No.
Mm.
So what we have to do, as I initially said, that data type, length, and name.
Sorry, just to interrupt you, Faisal,
Hmm.
because if you can you just go to email once to just to have a look, because I have created something. So from there, it's easier. Please duplicate once. Contact builder, and then no, not the contact builder. Just go again once again, and here go to app exchange. App exchange. Uh, uh, Go to query studio. uh, I, why I'm telling you, because I have seen, like, this is very easier to find something from here, like contact. You can write it down, contact in Object Explorer, right side.
Mhm.
Contact Salesforce contact. It will come over here. Contact Salesforce, right? It will
I,
give you all data type and everything, and from here I have seen this is very easier. I'm just telling you from you.
I know, I know. The thing
Mm.
is, this is the advanced part. You might have referred to YouTube's and the advanced course. That is the
But
reason you.
this is very easier. I have seen, like, to
Uh-huh.
create the data extension is very easier. Quickly I can create the data extension, and I can find the data and everything, from
Okay,
there.
okay. The
Types.
thing is, you have access to it, and you're trying to do R&D, research
Mm.
and development. That's the reason this looks very familiar to you, easy to you.
Mm,
But
mm,
if
mm.
I'll ask the same question to Tomojit, Tomojit won't be able to understand. Are you able to understand, Tomojit?
Little bit, I think I'm understanding it. Raju is saying something easy to find, so not properly.
Yeah, not properly. So that's the only thing which I'm telling you. See, the thing is, what I'm referring to is, see here we have synchronized data extension. Okay. Now we cannot directly add the synchronized data extension into Journey Builder. So that is the reason we have to create a normal data extension. So if I'm trying to create a new normal data extension, all this field should be available. Correct? Now here the type is not there.
Mm.
Okay. So type is available in email data extension part. This is the data type. Now what he is referring, Raju is referring to is that he has directly searched contact underscore Salesforce into query log. Okay, query studio, and here whatever fields are there, it's available. Here, for example, I have first name. Where's first name? See, first name. So first
Text.
name is there, and data type is text, and the length is 40. So I can directly go here, first name, data type as text, and I can add the field as data type, first name, and the length as 40.
Mm.
And it will be easier for me to create data extension, normal data extension, and import all the
Mm.
records from synchronized data extension to the normal one.
Right.
Just a moment, guys. I got a call. Just a moment. Sorry about that, guys. Yes. So, did you understand, Tomojit, what is referring to?
Yes, Pedro.
Hmm. Huh. Vice versa. When it comes to data extension, you already said what data extension you know all about. Okay. So, shared data extension is also there. Sorry. At times it might come like this. So, I have to log out, then log in, then I have to fetch the information. Okay. So, don't worry about the access one, but at times marketing cloud does that thing. Acha, but Raju, whatever you're creating, please delete it after its test.
Faisal, I'll delete it, but for the moment I kept it, and if in each and everywhere you'll see that before the name is Raju, so I can delete
Uh-huh.
it in one go.
No, no, don't worry about that. The thing is,
Hmm.
uh, whoever's account is this,
Hmm.
that person does not like the demo or testing created.
Acha,
Once
acha,
you
acha.
use it, so delete
Mhm.
it. That's the reason.
Sure, 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 sure.
Nothing else.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Ah, also, when it comes to data source part, okay, we have synchronized data extension. All what we have done is we have added account, contact, course connection, course offering, lead, and all this. Now assume that we don't have anything here. It's new account. So what we need to do is set up object. Where
Mm.
does the object come from?
Salesforce.
Correct. So in Salesforce, we will get I mean, if we click onto the object, we will get the object, what
Mhm.
objects we need, and
Mm.
which fields we need to select.
Just like contact, leads, and everything that
Correct.
we are finding in query, and
Correct.
from there even we can select the fields from there. Mm.
Correct. So we can select all these fields as well,
Mm.
configure synchronization. Once it's done, there it will be an option for sync.
Mhm.
Sync that every 15 minutes it will sync with CRM.
Mm.
Okay. This comes with the data management of synchronized from Salesforce. Second part is attributes. These are
Mm.
the main thing which are used into. Where are these used into?
Sorry.
These attributes, where are they?
Attributes, this will be used in data extension, particular for the fields.
But where?
Even you can use in for referring for the AMP script, or for when you are creating the sending template, there it will be used now for particular data field.
So directly we can use data extension
Mm.
into email.
Yes.
The attributes which we are creating,
Mm.
this can be used into journey.
Mm.
Okay.
Right, right, right.
There are two types of journey contact for Salesforce. One
Mm.
is journey details, and one is Salesforce details. Do you remember? We created one Salesforce journey.
Mm.
See this here. What we have is select
You
the.
have to find the object. You have to find the object from here.
Huh. So
The
what?
last time I have created one and then I've deleted it.
Acha, you deleted it. Okay, no problem. But what are we referring to is uh, what was that? It was, I think, contact, right?
Mm-hmm. Contact.
Contact. What are the fields?
Contact or lead, anything you can get it.
Contact, right?
Mm.
So we are using that as contact. Okay. Now contact is selected. Contact ID. Next,
Is
yeah,
created
it's
with
created
specific.
or is updated. So if it's updated, it won't populate. So it's created once contact is created in Salesforce, it should trigger. Okay. Filter this, we filter criteria. Entry data, you can add entry data. For example, contact. We have contact. So in contact, we have contact ID already. It's there. You can also
First name,
first name,
gender. You can take it for you.
gender. That's okay. Mailing country, mobile number. Hmm, that's okay. Done. Now, if you see that if I'm adding
Activities. Oh, control. Acha.
decision split, in decision split, if I have to add this decision, there's one that is known as contact data.
Data one is journey data.
Needed. So if you see here, if you click on contact data, this contact data is nothing but the attributes which
The contour object coming from control.
so this is system data, chat messaging. So see, if you see here, system data, then we have chat message data, then we have data Colada Marketing Cloud. There's the data Colada Marketing Cloud.com. So if we click on this, see, we have all these things. What we can do is we can directly add as opted out equals to false. If it is false, then it should be going to path one. Path one is here, going forward. Remainder will be going to the exit.
Right.
So the main concern to show you both is that these attributes are configured in order to use that data into a journey.
Journey, right.
Yes, one is contact data and one is journey data. So journey data is from this data itself, but contact data is from synchronized data extension through which we create the attribute. Understood?
Right.
Amajit?
Yes, Faisal. Yeah, yeah.
Or is it going up bouncer? Going bouncer?
One thing I want to ask Faisal, that what is journey data in this case?
Journey data? Huh. Good question. You see, starting May, what we have added: first name, last name, ID, mailing address, phone number.
The
Yeah, that's
selected fields only.
yes, correct. Selected fields from journey itself.
Got it, Faisal.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that means the always the journey data will be lesser than the contact data or object data. Whatever.
Contact data. Yes, contact data. I mean, it's
Contact data will be on her side. Her side, that means, why I'm saying, because this is kind of journey data is kind of in a selective data, and the contact data is the attributes will be more on her side.
that's correct. It depends. Some clients can have many fields, selections when it comes to attribute,
Right.
and
But
some
you are definitely you are selecting out of those data, na, in the
uh,
journey build.
correct. That's correct. Okay, so that is how it works into journey. Any question here, guys?
No, it's fine.
All right. So with this data management, when it comes to data management, what we are doing is we are creating, setting up data source attributes, data extension, importing it or synchronizing it, and subscriber. We all know, if we want to see all the subscriber, whether it's subscribed or unsubscribed, we can directly go into the subscribers tool, and we can check there whether it's subscribed or not, and according to that we can use that in order to send an email, or we can also suppress that. Okay.
Right.
Yes, just a moment. Hmm. With this, all the topics which are into marketing cloud, okay, that has been covered. Now there are few topics I would say that, for example, sender authentication package. Okay, so in sender authentication package, what does it include? What is DKIM? What is um, sender? Mm, what is dedicated IP? What is custom domain? What is reply mail management? What is custom account branding? Okay, so these are all are into trailheads. Okay, so I would request you to please go through each and every definition so that you can understand what is the difference between it and how it can be used into marketing cloud. Okay, because that is something which has been set up by the account executive, AE. All right, so we cannot do anything into it, but we need to know. There might be question asked into the certification with that as well, that what is sender authentication package, what is scan span, what are the best practices included into sending an email, or methods for engagement, or what is physical mailing address. But did you create any email, uh, Raju?
Yes, I think
So
so. Oh, no, no, I haven't created any email. I
acha,
haven't sent anything. I just created the template or see here you will find.
so were you able to proceed, I mean, by creating the email template?
Email template I have created, but I haven't gone to the final stage. That means I haven't sent anything.
Acha. This
Yeah,
one, anime content.
this is dynamic content. I
Huh.
have created this dynamic. If you can click and you'll see that the dynamic content I have created there. Uh, हाँ, so preview में आप देख सकते हैं. Go to preview. नहीं?
Preview.
Go, preview. Go to preview next and then go to preview. No, this is content. Na, you
Content.
click on next and go to preview. You click on edit. So
Just
right side में
just a
next कीजिए
moment.
ना.
I got a call. Just a moment.
Hmm.
Sorry. Yes, Raju. But the
Yeah, you can go to preview. That means click on next and then go to preview. Click on next, right side.
but you have the state into it. Have you added the field into data extension?
Yes, please. From the data is coming only from the data extension. No,
Okay, see. The error indicates the subscriber.
no. This I think this is selected the wrong data extension. That's why it's showing.
Okay, just a
Yeah,
moment.
you can cross it and select the right data extension. I think it will show.
Which is the data extension?
I think Raju customers will take. I think if it's city Bangalore, I think this one.
Mhm.
Uh,
Correct.
this is, but you are from Calcutta, so I have taken those fields to
Hmm.
scripts, and you are from Kolkata. If you click on next one, then customer will show you the next one. So for
Bangalore.
the dynamic content, I have used this.
That's correct. Great.
Also, little bit of the if else condition. I have created one of these M scripts as well.
Which one? This
M
one?
scripts. This one I think. With if else conditions. This one.
Subscriber. Okay. Which is the data extension?
Data extension is yes. Please select. Raju customer. Raju orders tutorial like Raju orders data. I think. No. Email form. No, there will be like country name is there.
This one?
No, not this one. This will be US, Germany kind of this.
Achha.
Email form data. Yes, this one I think. No. Taste form तो नहीं होगा. No, not this one. I cannot, but this was working fine. The data extension probably not right, but if you select the proper data extension, na? Raju में ही होगा. Only Raju, हाँ. Email form data. Not this one. Facebook. Raju tutorial. No.
But yes, let's see. If mailing
country equals to USA, then the set country equals to, I have taken one variable over there. Okay.
Else mailing country fans, then set country mailing country.
And set the discount.
Country discount is 20%. Else. Okay. So discount is the field which should be available to the data extension and the country.
Everything will be on Raju.
But yes, whatever you have created here, that seems good, but it's HTML. Okay, I would say instead of going for HTML, go for code snippet.
Okay.
So, for example, you need to add this image above it. Okay, then the code snippet. Code snippet, you can add HTML plus M script as well. Okay,
No, this is also M script, na? This
HTML.
no,
But what
I have
happens-
used the sign, na.
but what happens is, at times, if you send an email to inbox, so it looks weird.
Acha, acha.
Hmm.
This is just for testing purpose.
Mhm.
Faisal, can you just click over here in the code section, upper there? Can you get no, below that, the human, not here, left side, in the code, left side.
What?
In the code, just upper that, the oh, human symbol, beside that, email ID, first name, last name, mobile.
No, so data extension is email, first name, last name, and mobile only.
So from
So you
here,
need to add the fields.
email ID, first name, last name, and mobile. That is there already in the data extension. So to get the data extension, you click over here. What? Oh, it will show again same thing. Yeah.
Hmm.
Anyway, ठीक है. I think this data is coming from the landing page. I have created on landing page, and from there, I was collecting the data.
Hmm. Maybe. So see, here two things are there: physical mailing address, it's required, and profile center, it's required. If you do two things,
I have input over there, because without the physical mailing address,
it
you
won't go
cannot.
further.
It won't go further. It will show you
That's
the error.
all right. So yes, you are onto the track. Just little bit brush up needed. Once it's done, then it will be all clear. Any question, guys? This is email.
Faisal, from my side, I
Hmm.
need to do some practice that I did not get in time or did not have done till now. So, and
Mhm.
revision is needed for me. So, yeah, if any question arise, I will definitely ask you or go through the videos and do practice.
And Fazal, one more question. In Social Studio, if you go to not the Social Studio, if you just share the screen, go to email once. Email.
Email.
Email me. That means I want to see the tabs over here. No, not the contents. Go just mouse over the email long. अच्छा वेब सोशल स्टूडियो में क्या आ रहा है वेब स्टूडियो not the web studio I think cloud pages I have created that is fine not this one advertising go to advertising once advertising audience
This is for social media.
तो just a second just a second so I have connected Google ad account and Facebook ad account over here this is live account but I have created the audience and these things okay so from the administration go to administration once up there administration I have created Google AdWords and Facebook AdWords but in overview nothing is coming I don't know why this is completely connected you can see that it's connecting
Total contact 63.
to contacts how do I find out those contacts I don't think this contacts from here
Just a moment. Time zone. According to
do refresh again I have refreshed many times but and I have created the audience as well from there that means the data extension I have created particularly for this Facebook one
one by one, 4 available.
So that means I have created connected 1 and 4 is available. Out of 4, 1 is there. Or out of 5. And it's properly connected. That's why it's showing green tick. no?
ওইটা যে ঠাকুরটার সাথে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে তো, এটা আমাদের আমাদের মন্দির থেকে লাগানো হয় মন্দির থেকে নিয়ে এখানে ধরা হয়। ঠাকুরের ছবি এনে এসে পাস করে দিই। ওয়েট করতে ওখানে এখন এসে ওয়েট করে।
So anyway, Faisal, you can look out this on later on, and please next class possible show it to me. How to connect this one, because this is kind of priority for me. To know that how this Facebook and Google pages are connected to this audience and how we are creating the audience from there.
Hmm. Acha, you don't have the option. Okay, let me check.
That was one confusion for me, because I have already connected.
Oh,
It's properly connected. Google and Facebook account is properly connected with this marketing cloud, but why the reports are not showing?
এই লোকজনগুলো কারো ওরা ওখানে সব থাকতো কিছু এই যে ওখানে দেখলেন ফটোটা বলতে হয়ে
Yeah, so you can probably look into this later on and let me know.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
ফটোর বাড়ির ঠাকুরই
So
ফটো বাড়ি থেকে
by this we have completed the topics for marketing. But this moment I'll first stop the recording.